The context tool shows a term in context. You can sort the terms by document, left, term, and right. If you click on the little arrow, you can add or remove columns. And if you click on a term, then it jumps to that point in the reader. Down here you can search for a specific term to see that one in context. And down here under context you can choose how much context you want to see. If you change the amount in expand, and then you click on this little plus over here, then you can see more context for the term. Under scale you can decide if you want to see context for the term of the entire corpus or from specific documents. Up here under the export button you can open the tool in a new tab. You can export HTML code or reference, and you can export the data as HTML, text, or JSON. Over here you can choose to open a different tool, and under the question mark you get more information about the tool.